That's crazy. Goodness gracious. My ears. My ears hurt. What is happening in Brookhaven today? This is the most unusual game that I have been in. Squid Game? Squid Game? Why though? Who the heck came up with this one? Oh, dango, weird. Squid Game though. Stupid name for a game in Roblox. Especially Squid Game inside of Brookhaven. That's crazy. Yeah, no, I don't want no house right now. Ow. Forgot you can't go through there without blowing your eardrums. What now? Squid Game army tank in front of the sneaking hotel. And who the heck is that? Well, I know who that is. No, I'm not getting kidnapped, bro. That's crazy. But whoever decided to make